So here I'd like to show you one of the most interesting parts of the system, and we use some freeware in order to get this done. My students particularly hate this particular feature. It's called the collusion report, and it shows students who have copied homework from other students. So I want to take a semester that I know I have students who submitted a lot of work in. Let's take, for example, let's take the Computer Science 1 Fall 2011 course. And while that course is being selected from all the courses which I, as the administrator, have access to, let me tell you a little bit about how this is going to work. The software, the AssessTrack software, bundles, labels, and prepares the students' C++ programs that they've submitted through the system that exist in the database, and package it for use by a package called Jplag. And Jplag is a commercial product, freeware, that does an excellent job of finding students whose work is identical or close to identical. So here we have the opening course homepage. I will select from here, download code for answers. Let's see, assignment 7 I think is fairly well populated. Yeah, there's 3 in that assignment. There's 3 actual homework components that have computer programs in it. This actually looks for code questions from the quiz builder, by the way. So here we have question 1, answer 1. I'll select that one for download, and it will download it and create a zip file package for it. Now I will then use my link to the Jplag system, which I certainly trust. I've used it many times. And it will analyze the students. So here's my password and username entry for the program already. I'm going to create a new submission. Let's just call this submission test 01. Let's choose it from our downloads. What did I say that was? Question 7, I believe it was. There it is. Let's open it. That one seems not to have anything in it. Let's see. I think I chose the wrong one. New submission. Level 7. I want to go assignment 7. Okay, assignment 7. Here we go. I'll submit them, and this is pretty quick. It analyzes those 57 programs pretty quickly. And once it does, it automatically takes you in through your local browser into its reporting. And here we have its search results. Notice we have 57 programs, quite a bit. But in those 57 programs, 6 of them were almost 100% identical. So let's see what we have here. We had students submit things twice, so of course their individual assignments would be fairly close, 100%. But here we have 2 students who appear to have 100% collusion, and this nice software puts the programs right next to each other for you to view. And you'll notice here in the blued color, it shows the code portions that are the most identical, and you can see at a glance, well, I can see at a glance, that this work is pretty close to being identical, right down to spaces that are unnecessary and indentation that did not exist. So here we have found 2 students who have effectively cheated, and we can appropriately take action once we've found that out. As I said, my students do hate this.